Hi, Patrick. Thanks so much for coming tonight. Tell me a little bit about what brought you into FinTech, and your own company, of course, is Hitfin. So I'd love to know a little bit more.
Hi, Pemo. Yeah, thanks. It's a pleasure to be here. Yeah, I've been involved in the financial services space for quite some time now. Started my career as a software developer and have developed a lot of applications in the financial sector, built risk management and asset management software before I started Hitfin. I got involved in the cryptocurrency sector, quite heavily in about early 2015 when I went through a program called Blockchain University, right here in Silicon Valley, which was great. And so that really got me interested in Ethereum. We actually met a lot of the core developers there. And from there, I was able to then take what I knew from the traditional financial industry and what I'd learned about the cryptocurrency space, and come up with some interesting products that we then ended up building out.
So you really had some great experience behind you before you hit the blockchain then.
That's right, absolutely. Yeah.
So tell me, from your perspective and your experience, where do you think it's all heading, the cryptocurrency?
Well, I think it's when cryptocurrency first kind of started becoming popular and hitting the mainstream, a lot of people were trying to figure out how to monetize the technology and where the technology kind of fits in. And so I think this year we're seeing more concrete use cases, and we're seeing more mainstream institutions adopting blockchain technology. Pretty much every major bank and every major institution is interested in blockchain. And I think that's a big shift from where we were a couple of years ago. So the way I see it is that over the next few years we'll see kind of where blockchain fits in and what the best use cases are.
I'm interested that Silicon Valley investors have been a bit slow to the party. They tell me that New York investors are much more with it. Do you know why that would be here?
Oh yeah, absolutely. I mean, traditionally Silicon Valley has been, Silicon Valley, the technology industry here has been more consumer focused, and so we have really big iconic companies like Facebook, for example, and Apple, and I think a lot of investors are just chasing the next Facebook, right? And so whereas when it comes to Bitcoin and blockchain technology, it's more on the financial side. And so, from that standpoint, it's a lot more appealing, I think, to more, New York-based Wall Street investors.
Fabulous. Well, thanks for answering that for me. Well, I'm really looking forward to the panel tonight. There's some great panelists, including yourself. And thanks again.
Great. Thanks, Pam. I look forward to it.